With the third quarter earnings season largely over in Asia, investors are now eyeing economic data for pockets of strength and weakness across the region. On Monday, China house price data for October will be released after growth hit a near three-year high in September. With inflation in China running at its highest levels in 8 months, authorities are particularly worried about potential property bubbles. Some analysts believe another price surge could lead China's central bank to tighten lending conditions. As Abenomics celebrates its one-year anniversary, overall Japan's economic growth looks slightly stronger. But export growth has slowed sharply, and fresh trade data out on Wednesday will show whether a record trade deficit will continue.
The problem is that there are structural factors which are undermining Japan's trade deficit, or trade balance, I should say. First of all, of course, there's an energy shortfall. Since they closed down their nuclear power program, they're having to import much more energy. But secondly, because the Japanese population is declining quite rapidly now, more and more Japanese firms are relocating production into Southeast Asia and China, where there's an expanding population and an expanding market.
On Thursday, it's back to a focus on China for the latest survey on manufacturing activity, HSBC's Flash PMI for November. After it tapped a 7-month high on strong new orders, investors will be eager to see whether that momentum will be sustained. And finally, if you like cars, get ready for the Tokyo Motor Show, which starts on Friday evening. Japan's biggest car makers will be displaying some of their newest and most unusual models. And while the country's largest car maker, Toyota, is holding on to its crown after a record set of earnings, other companies such as Nissan will likely try to boost enthusiasm after missing expectations.